Is your LG TV displaying promotional banners, changing settings automatically, or stuck in demo mode? In this quick video, I will show you how to turn store mode on or off on your LG TV in just a few simple steps. On your LG TV remote, press the settings button, then navigate to the main setting menu. Scroll down and select Support. Under Support, scroll down and choose Home Store Mode. Here you will see two options: Home Mode recommended for normal home use, Store Mode designed for showroom display or retail stores. Simply select the mode you want and confirm your choice, and that is it. This is what Store Mode looks like. You'll notice promotional content, advertisements and demo features designed to showcase the TV in a retail environment. For everyday viewing at home, it's best to use the Home Mode for the full user experience. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification for more TV tips and tutorials. Thanks.